Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. They've been around more than 30 years, but lately they've been making amazing fragrances, especially for the price. So this one in particular is from their higher tier lineup. They are from their luxury lineup. It's called Arabiyat Prestige, and this one in particular called Aariz Intense. Aariz Intense Eau de Parfum 100 ml. As you can see, the presentation is off the chart, is amazing. For the price, where do you get presentation like this? So this one in United Kingdom you can find it around 50 to 60 pounds if you do your research. You can buy it directly from them. They ship globally, which is a good news, but obviously you have to pay the shipping. So look at this beautiful bottle, very big and heavy box. Beautiful presentation in terms of the design. Is very Islamic and Arabic design to it, and as usual the Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. The box itself is about 2 to 3 kilos. It's very heavy. Sorry about that, sorry about the noise. So this one is aimed at unisex. As I said, between 50 to 60 pounds. Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and let's go. Amazing, look at that, beautiful. It's just shouts quality. Everything is about it. When you handle it, when you look at it, it just shouts quality. And it opens like this, and then it's like a door to it. Yeah. So it's, look at this beautiful presentation. Okay, so very attractive presentation, very high end. If you go for big names, especially European names, you won't get presentation like this, at least from 150 pounds, 200 plus for this kind of presentation. Amazing. Look at this. Beautiful, attention to details everywhere. So the bottle itself is super heavy, about a kilo or maybe even more of a bottle, and the bottle itself is absolutely again gorgeous. Look at the design, beautiful. It's got like a retro design to it, which is very beautiful. It's got it's a dark brown with gold trimming all over it, very attractive. So very beautiful. And the cap is metal and very heavy. It's about 200 grams of cap, and the atomizer, here we go. Wow, look at that pressurized atomizer. You go psh, beautiful, very well done, absolutely amazing for this price, unbelievable. Okay, so how is the smell of Arabiyat Prestige from the House of My Perfumes? And this is Aariz Intense Eau de Parfum 100 ml, targeted unisex. As I said, you can buy it directly from them, around 50 to 60 pounds give or take, plus shipping, or you can wait for it to be available other places like United Kingdom as well. Here we go. Ooh, first thing it hits me is the coffee. So this one is quite big on the coffee and caramel. Yeah, sweet caramel plus coffee plus chocolate. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's very warm, it's very inviting, it's very delicious, it's very gourmand. It's got a little bit of hint of spiciness to it as well. Actually more than a hint, it's a big spice in here. combination of, I can smell something in the background very sweet and very smooth, which is telltale sign of vanilla. So I can smell vanilla, and also it's very nutty and a little bit earthy, so I can probably most likely it's going to be tonka bean in here. It is tonka bean, it smells like tonka bean. So it's a combination of tonka bean and vanilla in the base, a little bit of woodiness as well, but the woods are a little bit on the clean side right now. Yeah, most likely to be a combination of cedar and sandalwood to making it this smooth and very, very rounded. This is a buttery smooth fragrance, very, very smooth. It's got a little bit of green feel to it as well. It's a little bit of leafiness, a little bit of grassiness. Not much, it's not huge, but it is there in the background. And also a little bit of that leafy, green, grassy feel to it, plus that woodiness, making it a little bit of outdoorsy as well. But the main player right now is the gourmand aspects of it, which are vanilla, tonka bean, caramel, chocolate, coffee, quite sweet, from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. At the moment for first impression is around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet but not overly sweet. It's very, very well done. It's done in balance with everything else, and that beautiful spicy tinge to it, which smells like cinnamon and also smells like a little bit of clove and cumin as well. Little bit, just a hint of it, making it more interesting and depth, and giving it that beautiful warmth and inviting to it. I smell something like a boozy aspect to it, but the booziness is not huge, is around medium at the moment. So the biggest player for first impression are the gourmand aspect, which are the caramel, the chocolate and the coffee together, plus that vanilla and tonka bean, making it quite sweet and nutty. So overall it's quite gourmand, plus a little bit of greenness, little bit of grassiness, and the woody aspect of it is quite in the background, is quite clean, and a little bit of boozy feel to it. The boozy is here smells something like between between cognac and between what's the other one, brandy. So it's like between brandy and cognac feel to it in terms of booziness. As I said, it's not huge, it's quite apparent, but it's not a big player. Oh, but what a smell. So this is true gourmand. You need to like your gourmand fragrances. It's like you're entering a coffee shop, very high-end coffee shop, and you're smelling that beautiful handmade grounded coffee, just freshly made, plus they are putting some shot of caramel and vanilla in your coffee, and also sweetness, plus that nuttiness come from that again, that shot of syrup they put in your coffee to give it that nutty feel, plus the cinnamon, plus a little bit of cumin and a little bit of spicy tinge to it as well. Overall, definitely unisex to my nose, 100% evenly distributed here. Either men or women can wear it. In terms of season, best suited for cooler weather. This is definitely cooler weather fragrance, but because it's got a little bit of freshness to it as well, you can use it all year round. In summer less sprays, in winter more sprays. In terms of age, definitely on the mature side. This is, although it's very, very delicious and is superbly done and very, very balanced, the perfumery is super smooth, super rounded. The mixture of ingredients are amazing in here. The high perfumery plus high ingredients plus very, very well blended. It's just absolutely gorgeousness to the max. But again, a little bit on the mature side. In terms of application, this is definitely best suited for going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, because it's very, very opulent. Although it's very, very delicious in the same time, it's very opulent. It's very high class. So overall, absolutely gorgeousness to the max. I give it 10 out of 10 for that beautiful opening. Although it's quite sweet, it's got a little bit of balance of sweet and sourness from those dark chocolate and the coffee, and also the tonka bean and the vanilla together go very well. Very, very balancing act is in here, is very, very well done. beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. It's like a cake. Smells like a cake. Smells like a chocolate, caramel, and coffee cake. Oh, I smell something else. I smell a little bit of tobacco coming up now. So tobacco at the moment is in the background, but it's coming up a little bit slowly. And tobacco here is like a pipe tobacco. It's like a little bit of smokiness to it as well. Not much, just a tiny bit, but it's coming up. Yeah, a little bit of tobacco coming up here. Beautiful. OMG, this is a complex fragrance. Very complex, very layered, very, very sophisticated. This is definitely for people who love their gourmand first and foremost. Second, sweet and sour. Third, a little bit of booziness. Fourth, a little bit of woody base, tonka and vanilla combination, and also a little bit of booziness, and the tobacco is coming up as well. And a big cinnamon plus cumin, and a little bit of, probably a little bit of cardamom, because it's got a body to it as well in terms of spiciness. Overall, yes, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely up my alley. I love it, and I will let you know in the next video developments, longevity and things like that. But for the first impression, is absolutely amazing. And I basically, it smells 200 pounds plus easy. It's just that good. It's superbly done. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I cannot praise it enough. It's so well done in terms of presentation. Is amazing, excellent in terms of smell, excellent in terms of perfumery, excellent in terms of the ingredients of the notes and accords, excellent. So what not to like? The only thing is I have to wait and report back to you the performance, but at the moment it's feeling the room, feeling the house. It looks like it's going to be very, very strong fragrance as well. Okay guys, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia. The reason is because I bring the ingredients from my country, Iran, Persia. We produce one of the best, if not the best, fragrance oils in the world, the perfume oils in the world. We don't produce much of it, but when we do the best. And I mix these oils together to come up with beautiful perfumes. They are sorry about that, I still got a cold. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, mesmerizingly beautiful, very, very artistic, very unique, very, very unusual as well. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.